What's up everyone, it's your girl Deja and welcome back to another video. In today's video I will show you guys how to create your own music plaque keychain. I've been seeing this going around TikTok, YouTube, and I wanted to create a version that was easy to do where you didn't have to use markers or Cricut because a marker takes time, a Cricut is expensive, so I wanted to find a way that was super easy and achievable for you guys to do. So if you guys want to find out how to create your own, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Y'all, we are almost at 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for supporting me, and if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe so you can join the family. Without further ado, let's get into the video. For the materials, you will need an acrylic photo keychain, a cutter. If you don't have a cutter, you can use scissors, and sticker label paper. Number 1, find your song. In order to find your song, all you have to do is go into Spotify and screenshot the song. There you can also get the album cover. Step number 2, print out the album and the song. Here, I just use my sticker label paper because later we're going to peel the songs off. Step number 3, cut out the album and the song. Here you can see I am using my cutter. I personally like using the cutter better than scissors because the cut is more precise, but like I said before, if you do not have a cutter, feel free to use scissors. And in terms of the size of the pictures, I don't have the exact measurements, but I held up my keychain to the Word document that I had the pictures in and just made sure they fit. So that's how you can get a good size. And you can always just use regular paper and test it out before you use the sticker paper. Also, the sticker paper will be in the description box below. Step number 4, peel off the album and the song. This is pretty self-explanatory. I am just peeling off the sticker paper and I am just putting it on the keychain. With this, you do have to get it right on the first try because once you put it down, it's hard to come back up. And if you do peel it off, it will mess up, so you will have to reprint it. And I learned the hard way. But mine is definitely not perfect, but I tried to get it the best I could. And here's it all put together, as you can see. Now I'm just taking the top of the keychain and putting it all in place. And here are the final results. Thank you guys so much for watching.